Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It is, when I do a timestamp, I used to do that all the time. It is the July 6th, so I hope you all had a nice New Year's, or not New Year's, wow, Independence Day. So my original plan this weekend, for my 2 days off, was I was going to rent a U-Haul, and I had one reserved because I was going to camp out of the back of the U-Haul because I thought it would be funny. Get rid of this view screen because I keep looking at it. And I got to the lot. It's funny, but it's also sad, but he says you can't park your car inside the lot. And I said, oh. He says, it might get hit by another vehicle coming in, which I don't know if that was true. Because I was parked right next to a boat, and the boat stuck out much farther than my car. So, you know, whatever. And he says, I can't let you park outside of the fenced area for two reasons. One is that the police might come by and tow your vehicle. I was like, oh. He said, if not, then someone could break into it and steal everything inside, whatever was left, or outright just steal the vehicle, which he says has been happening for like the last 2 months. So either the police would take it, or it would be stolen or broken into. And if they stole the car, I don't know what kind of damage they would do to it to get it started and unlock the steering wheel and all that. Because it's a 2017, so it's probably got all the little anti-theft measures, but I don't know what kind of the damage they do could be costly. Far more expensive than what the U-Haul rental would have ended up being, plus all the 79 cents per mile, which I had it planned out. How far I was going to go, roughly. But the site I was going to park the van at, someone was at, so it kind of worked out anyway. So I'm at this spot, which I've actually shown on video a few times because I've cleaned up here, and I've for the MI Woodsman's liter cleanup, and I found the cast iron skillet in that fire pit, which is finally done seasoning, by the way. So Forest Camp is actually right about a quarter, 100 feet back into the woods there. The problem is I brought a lot of stuff because it was gonna be in the back of the van. So I'd hoped to just open the side doors and my fire would be 6 feet away, and I'd be sitting there with my feet up, drinking a cold one, just enjoying myself and having fun and everything else. And then, yeah, no van. But then no spot for it. Although I could have gone higher up the road and tried to look for another spot. Which I suppose I could do that here. I just don't like all the traffic noises. You can just hear 2 cars just went rolling by. I'm literally like right by the road. I mean, I could probably throw a rock and hit the road. And I have a weak throwing arm. Maybe I'll turn the camera and actually show you. I think I will do. Just to give you a perspective. I'm not gonna. So I'm just gonna turn. So that's the fire pit. And that's the bank. Standing on the road now. So. I think my whole head was cut off there, but I think you get the idea. So yeah, there you go. So now I'm just debating what to do. I could do a day trip. So I got something in mind I want to cook that was tagged in a video. But that might be what I do. Nothing wrong with day trips. I guess I will just end it here for this video. And then just decide. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, complaints, whatever, just any kind of comment, really, just put them down below and I'll respond to it. And I'll catch you in the next one. So, peace.